Deep in the whispering woods, a big brown nose twitched. It belonged to Barnaby the Bear. Barnaby the Bear was very hungry this morning. His tummy rumbled like distant thunder. Barnaby the Bear stood up on his big hind legs. He stretched his long arms high above his head. What could Barnaby the Bear find for breakfast? He sniffed the cool forest air. A sweet smell floated by. Thought Barnaby the Bear. That smells like juicy berries. Barnaby the Bear followed his nose. He walked with his heavy paws. Step, stomp went Barnaby the Bear. The smell led him deeper into the trees. He saw tall ferns and mossy rocks. Soon, Barnaby the Bear came to a small stream. Sparkling water hurried over smooth stones. How would Barnaby the Bear cross? He carefully dipped a paw in. Splash! Barnaby the Bear decided to wade across. The water tickled his furry legs. He reached the other side safely. The sweet berry smell was stronger now. Just ahead, Barnaby the Bear saw a big bush. It was covered in bright red berries. Jackpot, thought Barnaby the Bear. He happily began to eat the delicious fruit. He ate one berry, then two, then many more. His hungry tummy started to feel full. While eating, Barnaby the Bear heard a buzz sound. He looked up and saw a small hollow in a tree. Little bees flew in and out. Barnaby the Bear knew that meant honey. He loved sweet honey too. Barnaby the Bear stood on his hind legs again. He reached his big paw up towards the hollow. But the little bees were busy. Barnaby the Bear decided to let them be. Berries were just as yummy today. With a full tummy and a happy heart, Barnaby the Bear smiled. He knew how to find food in the forest. His strong nose and big paws helped him. It was a good day for Barnaby the Bear.